They say practice is the best teacher. So in this video series, we'll show you how to master rosettes with your Cricut Maker machine by making this pretty little project. This teacher appreciation project is dedicated to all you paper crafters, and it will absolutely flourish with the scoring wheel and double scoring wheel. So let's make sure you have everything you need: a Cricut Maker machine, a laptop, desktop, or mobile device for using design space, 12 by 12 light and standard grip mats, 1 sheet glitter cardstock in black, 1 sheet cardstock in pale yellow, 1 sheet green metallic poster board, 1 sheet green glitter cardstock, 1 light green regular cardstock, fine point blade, scoring wheel, and double scoring wheel, your trusty scraper tool, and finally, every crafter's must-have, the beloved glue gun, with glue, of course. Okay, let's do this. To open this project in Design Space, enter the project name in the search field, Perfect Teacher Box. And sure enough, there it is. Go ahead and click it. This project details page gives us all kinds of useful information, like difficulty level, time, materials, and assembly instructions, and a whole lot more. If you encounter questions as you're working through this or any ready-to-make project, this is the page to turn to. Okay, if you've got all your materials and accessories, jump to the next phase, mat prep for Cricut Maker, which is precisely what we'll do in the next video. See you there!